What's up guys, it's Kevin with Casework Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the strict pull-up. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we're getting into how to do the pull-up. So first thing I want you to think about is when you get into position, you got to get in the habit of being in a hollow body. Hollow body is whenever your glutes are squeezed, your toes are out in front of the pull-up bar. If you notice, that little shape was intentional because I'm trying to train my body to be in this hollow body position in as many exercises as possible. That's when your core is turned on. That's when you're going to be the strongest. If you've been doing pull-ups where you're here or you're here, notice my ribs are flared, you're not getting any core engagement. Pull and roll your pelvis down into this position here, and then get into your pull-up. The toes should stay in front of the bar, always squeezing your glutes, and then every time you notice I'm starting from the dead hang position. Don't get in the habit of doing your pull-ups where you're leaning back here and you're just going here. All you're doing is training your body and your muscles to get shorter and shorter and shorter, and you're going to end up losing a lot of mobility. Keep the hollow body, start locked out every time. Remember, pull-up is anytime your hands are facing away from you, chin up is towards you. That's how to do a pull-up. Get after it.